Introduction to Advanced Guide to Fidelity Index Funds. Fidelity Index Funds offer a low-cost and efficient way to invest in the market by tracking a specific stock or bond index. This guide will walk you through the key concepts, benefits, and best practices for investing in Fidelity Index Funds. Understanding index funds. Index funds are a type of investment that pools money from many investors to purchase a representative sample of stocks or bonds in a particular index, such as the S&P 500. By investing in an index fund, you gain broad diversification and can potentially reduce your risk. Benefits of Fidelity Index Funds. Fidelity Index Funds offer several benefits, including low costs, diversification, and tax efficiency. They also provide access to a wide range of indexes, allowing you to invest in various asset classes and sectors. Additionally, Fidelity Index Funds are often less volatile than actively managed funds, as they track a specific index rather than trying to beat it. Types of Fidelity Index Funds. Fidelity offers a variety of index funds, including domestic and international stock index funds, bond index funds, and sector-specific index funds. Some popular options include the Fidelity 500 Index Fund, the Fidelity Total Stock Market Index Fund, and the Fidelity U.S. Bond Index Fund. How to invest in Fidelity Index Funds. To invest in Fidelity Index Funds, you can start by opening a brokerage account with Fidelity. From there, you can browse the available index funds and select the ones that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can also set up a systematic investment plan to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. Best practices for investing in Fidelity Index Funds. To get the most out of your investment in Fidelity Index Funds, it is essential to have a long-term perspective and avoid trying to time the market. You should also diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of asset classes and sectors. Additionally, consider taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, such as 401(k) or IRA, to minimize your tax liability. Conclusion. Fidelity Index Funds can be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio, offering low costs, diversification, and tax efficiency. By understanding the key concepts, benefits, and best practices outlined in this guide, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to always do your research, set clear investment goals, and consult with a financial advisor if needed.